Welcome to the world of cryptocurrencies, where news turns into opportunities and markets are constantly in motion. Are you ready to explore the latest developments and hottest trends in the industry? The European Union's launch of an investigation into tech giants such as Apple, Alphabet, Google, and Meta, formerly Facebook, under the new Digital Markets Act has sparked discussions about the potential implications. Joining us now is Gane Munster, Managing Partner of Deepwater Asset Management. Over the last 24 hours we have had time to reflect on the long-term effects. Where do you see this voice, Gane? Gane begins by calling the investigation largely noisy, similar to similar actions by the U.S. Department of Justice. This is your gateway to the latest cryptocurrency news. Join us as we break down the latest developments, market insights, and game-changing innovations. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to stay updated. He frames the EU's aim with the Digital Markets Act as an attempt to level the playing field, particularly regarding Meta's data practices, where the absence of a robust free offering for non-users is highlighted willing to share their data. Gane pauses to reflect on the idea that data sharing has become almost a prerequisite for accessing certain services, which raises questions about the essence of freeness. However, it recognizes the need for businesses to generate revenue and frames the EU's concerns in this context. As for Meta's likely response, Gane anticipates a defense centered on the need for a sustainable business model, highlighting the choice users have between accepting targeted ads or paying for services. It also touches on Apple and Google, highlighting the issue of app pricing and the freedom for users to choose alternative platforms. Despite labeling the EU's actions as noise, Gane acknowledges the intensity with which they have addressed the issue, citing the rapid declaration of non-compliance just weeks after the tech giant's remarks. He expects continued regulatory scrutiny, but says consumer loyalty to these companies will likely endure. However, Gane warns that significant fines, potentially amounting to 10% of global revenue, could impact profitability despite consumer loyalty. He maintains faith in Google and Meta, believing that the fines will be less severe than expected, given doubts about the validity of the EU. When asked about Apple, Gane highlights their potential in artificial intelligence, but admits a more cautious approach, perhaps influenced by recent developments, including Tim Cook's visit to China amid concerns over iPhone sales and geopolitical tensions surrounding TikTok. Overall, Gane's position suggests a confidence in the resilience of these tech giants in the face of regulatory challenges, with a nuanced understanding of the risks and rewards associated with each company. While concerns about retaliation from China loom, Gane notes that such actions have already begun. However, it highlights the importance of considering both short-term and long-term outcomes. Despite Apple's absence from the fund at the moment, Gane reiterates his strong confidence in the company's future prospects, particularly in personalized artificial intelligence, with significant announcements expected in June. By clarifying that Apple is not currently in the fund, Gane acknowledges the dynamic nature of their multi-fund investment strategy. It reaffirms their continued confidence in Apple's long-term potential, but points to the need to address short-term challenges, particularly related to March quarter performance and issues such as sales in China. When asked about buying Apple stock, Gane suggests that while the current valuation may be attractive, it is prudent to wait out the conclusion of what he expects will be a challenging news cycle on Apple's March quarter results. It suggests there may be opportunities to enter the market once negative sentiment is priced into the stock price. Considering the possibility of further declines in the stock, Gane sees potential downside in light of expected challenges related to Apple's March quarter performance, but does not expect a significant decline. Instead, he suggests that any declines could be moderate given their assessment of the situation. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of cryptocurrencies. If you found this overview useful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of the latest news and updates from the world of cryptocurrencies. Continue to explore, learn, and invest wisely. See you next time.